Hi everybody and good morning. It's 9:30 and I've been working for about an hour now. Haven't really showed much of it because it's truly been me in this position going like this over and over again. So, you know. But it's super gloomy outside. Oh! It's super gloomy outside, as you guys saw the rain earlier. And although I love the rain and it's super, like, you know, cozy and enjoyable, it is making me a bit tired today. So that's it. I'm prepping for a very big event that I have next week, and yeah, so there's just a lot happening and has been happening the past few weeks, but I cannot complain. So that's why I've been gone. It's 9:31, so I say we go get breakfast. Y'all, I just fed my sourdough starter and it's already about to bust out of this glass, and I'm not feeding it for another, I literally just fed it an hour ago, so I have a meeting that I'm now late for. I had to move to the kitchen because the internet works better out here.
There's also like really good at being like, she would keep her kid in another room and like just let them watch.
Okay, so it's lunchtime and I'm gonna be honest, it's a ramen kind of day. Update, my sourdough starter is to the brim. I haven't thought this far ahead of what to do because it still needs to be in there for a couple hours. Don't mind how messy this section looks. This is what happens when you're making sourdough starter. Yeah, so this one's not, well, actually this jar is just wider and a little bit larger, but this one is also basically to the top, so. Oh, have to laugh. Ramen and kimchi is the lunch of the day.
I think, I don't recognize that.
Okay, well, yeah, that's true. I'm still here. It's 4 p.m. and my brain hurts. I will probably be signing off at ideally 4:30, but I don't want to rush it because I would rather. But yeah, so I would rather be super prepared and prep as much as I can today so that I can go in tomorrow and just like get to it. I'd rather do that. So that is, if that's what I have to do, that's what I do. But what I have to do. But I came here to say that my sister made me this tea because she gets home early because she goes in early. And I needed this. And then after I do the rest of work, I might go for a walk or get my lunch ready for tomorrow. TBD. I don't really know exactly what's happening next, but grace and peace.
It's not clear.
It should be was
Okay, everybody, for dinner we have some broccoli, zucchini, kimchi, again, don't worry about it, rice, I have chicken, marinated chicken, and marinated beef. Now those two, the main things on the plate I got from H Mart, so I can't take all the credit. So my sister got these little cups from Amazon, so I'm gonna make a little sauce to go with the pot stickers. And by sauce, I mean everything has been pretty much made already. For the sauce, I'm doing a little bit of this teriyaki sauce, some sriracha, of course, and some sesame oil. And I'm gonna do like 5 of these. Oh, I actually didn't even put them in like that. Okay, getting worse. Ow. Ow. They do pot. They do pot. It didn't work.